Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. In our travels in Ecuador, we've had some very interesting foods. One thing that's very big there is roasted guinea pig, which, when you get your child's pet out of your mind, it's actually quite tasty. And then there was one time when we had snake bite rum, which, it was disgusting. But one thing that Ecuadorians are famous for is their comfort food, their stews and their soups. Well, at a restaurant in Quito, Ecuador, I ordered the traditional chicken stew, and it was delicious. And my American palate was like, this doesn't taste traditional at all to me. But it was so good, I wanted to share it with you. I'm going to put together a flour and spice mixture to cook the chicken in. So this is 1.5 cups of flour. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of cumin, ground cumin, which is used in Ecuadorian cooking quite a bit. So there's 1 tablespoon, and there's 2 teaspoons of chili powder, there's 1, there's 2, and then 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic. And mix all that. I've heated about 1/2 inch of vegetable oil in this big old pot. So what I'm going to do is take 3 chicken breasts that I've chunked up, and you just do it a little at a time. You dip it in the seasoned flour. We'll put that right in there. So we'll saute this chicken till it gets a little brown on the outside. Now we're going to add 3 things. We're going to add a room temperature beer, any old kind of beer you've got lying around. One cup of orange juice. Now in Ecuador, sometimes they use a little more exotic fruit juices, which sometimes I can't get here, so I'm using orange juice. I'm going to stir that around, and I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Heaping tablespoons. Stir that in. When everything comes to a boil, like it's just about doing now, I'm going to turn it down to simmer and let that simmer away uncovered for about 20-25 minutes. And in that time, I'm going to make some brown rice. Here it is, my Ecuador traditional chicken stew. There's two little steps we have to do. They garnish everything with avocado. So you put some avocado slices on top. Like that. And then you do a dusting of salt. Oh boy, I'm going to get a bite with everything in it. Wow. This takes me right back to keto, to that restaurant. And I'm thinking this, when your family says, "What's for dinner tonight?" Tell them Ecuador traditional chicken stew.